When you want to learn more about primary sources, your best resource to start with is the Library of Congress at loc.gov. What we have in the Library of Congress is a huge collection of resources. As you scroll through the website, you automatically see so many different useful things that relate to primary sources, but you can also start with digital collections. This gives you some predetermined collections that may fit a topic that you are researching. You can also refine your results as you see along the left side with the different digital collections that they have. Another really great feature of the Library of Congress website is the teachers section. The teachers section offers materials that will help you teach students about primary sources and give you sources to use for practice. There's a partner program that has a consortium which is full of resources for already planned lessons. They also have a page specifically on using primary sources, and it walks you through step by step how to engage students with primary sources and promote student inquiry. It even helps assess how students apply critical thinking and analysis skills to primary sources. Because of these features, I would definitely suggest the Library of Congress as a starting point when you're ready to use primary sources.